students, welcome back our online class maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the second chapter, that is the exponent and powers. In the previous video already I have explained to you what is the standard form of the numbers. Okay, so today we are going to discuss our exercise, that is the exercise 2.3. Some problems I have written on the board, so just I will explain to you. Just observe it and how to solve the different types of problems you should see. First question, students, write in standard form. Already I have told how to write in standard form. If it is a large number or like that, how we should write in standard form. Standard form means, already I have explained that decimal point should be keep after one digit. Decimal point should keep after one digit. Okay, that means one digit should be stay, and that should be whole number, and you should natural numbers, and you should keep after that one natural number. Okay, so students, in previous classes already you have already you have learned that how to decimal number multiplication. Suppose 32.003. Okay, so what you have to do, whenever this decimal number if you multiply with suppose 10, what it will happen? Now whenever you multiply with 10, then the decimal place will go to right side one place. Okay, if we will multiply with 10 or 100, then it will go two places to the right side. Okay, if we divide that, suppose divide with 100, then what will happen? Now the decimal will come to the left side, two places. Okay, so whenever we are multiplying with the 10 or 100 or 1000 like that, it will go to the right side. But whenever we are dividing with that numbers 100 or 10 or thousands, then it is coming to the left side. Okay, it is shifted to the left side. The decimal point is shifted to the left side. Are you clear, friends? These things, this concept is should remain and utilize here. Okay, so come on now, friends, we will do this now. Observe, friends, in standard form means there is a big number, large number in there. We have to make the smallest number like this, small number like we have to represent. So see, 0.000060 are there. After that, 375. So we have to bring, because here decimal place before only 0 is there, so don't want it. So we have to bring this decimal number point, we have to bring up to here. Are you clear, friends? You have to come 7 place to right side. So if the decimal points will come to the right side, then what you have to do? If you will multiply, then only I told you, whenever the decimal place will come to right side, when? Now whenever we will multiply. So how many places we need? The 7 place. So what you have to do, friends? The 0.000375 into, okay, into how much, friends? 10 power. How many digits, how many places we have to come to right? That much. 10 power 7. Okay, so why? Now the decimal should come to 7 places to right side. So that's why 10 power 7 I have multiplied. So if you have multiplied by 10 power 7, then you must want to divide also 10 power 7. Okay, so what you have to do is equal to, students, this 10 power 7, 10 power 7, if you cut, that same number will come. So what you have done? 10 power 7 you have multiplied, then divided by 10 power 7. Okay, now if you multiply to this odd number, first you have to multiply this. What will become? It will become 3.75. 3.75. Are you clear? Because if you multiply this number with this, then the decimal point will come to here. So I will written here. Now numerator work over by how much, friends? 10 power 7. Okay, is equal to, what we can write, friends? Is equal to what we will write? If the denominator 10 power 7 positive number, then it will go to upward, it will become negative. 3.75 into 10 power minus 7. This is our standard form. say this one same like I will do here friends, then after I will explain. This I will draw here, I will use here 506.289 is equal. So first of all you realize the decimal point should come left or right. Now decimal point should come left because in the left side numerical numbers are there, so it will come to left side. Whenever the decimal points will come to the left, then you have to divide. Okay, so how much you have to divide? Now how many places you should come? Now 2 places, that means 100. So 506.289 divided by 100 means 10 power 2. If 10 power 2 you are dividing, then compulsory you have to multiply 10 power 2 is equal to. Now this answer you have to find out. This what I told, if you divide 10 power 2, then decimal place will come to here 5.06289. If this answer I have written this because the decimal point will come to here only. This will remove into 10 power 2. Are you clear friends? This is the answer. So we can write here how much friends? 5.06289 into 10 power 2. Okay, this is the P. C I will explain friends. C F sorry F what is given friends? 0.4 zeros are there. 0 0 0 0 478 is equal to friends. First of all you realize here. Where is the decimal point? Here. The left side no numbers, natural numbers not there anything. So we have to, it will go to the right side up to here. Here not there, here not there, here not there, here up to here it should come. The decimal point should come here because one number, natural number, after you have to put that word decimal point. So how many points decimal places coming to the right? 1 2 3 4 5. So if you multiply, if right side it should go, you have to multiply. So 0.0000478 into 10 power 5. Okay, because it is shifting to the right side 5 places, so we have to multiply 10 power 5. So whenever 10 power 5 you are multiplying, then must be divided 10 power 5 is equal to. If you multiply, what is the answer will come? 4.78. Okay, by 10 power 5. If it is denominated like that is there, we have to reciprocal, it will do 4.78 into 10 power minus 5. This is our answer. Are you clear? So the decimal points where here it should go to the right side now because all the numbers are there in right side. So it is shifted to right side. How many places should shift it? Now 5 places. So 10 power 5 multiply. If it is coming to right, decimal point should come to left side, then it should divide. Okay. Now this is the answer. So we can write 4.78 into 10 power minus 5. Okay. So now friends, first video I have completed, second video should see friends. This is only decimal before one digit is there, so it is now usual form. Now we have to make it, it is in standard form, so we have to write in usual form. Okay, so what you have to do friends, observe, if 10 power minus 8 then negative, if you do that we can write 3.25 into this 1 by 10 power 8. Okay, because the negative sign it will change, 1 by reciprocal it will become 10 power 8. Okay, is equal to friends, how many zeros are there? 8 zeros are there. That means what I told, whenever we will divide this number, that time the decimal number will come to the left. How many will come? 8 should come because we are dividing with the 10 power 8. So 8 places it will come to the left. So already 1 places is there. So we need again 7 places. So 0.7 places you have to give. 3, 6 7 places plus here 1 3. Okay, 2 5. Okay friends, this is our answer. This is usual form. Okay, same like this one we have to do 4.083 into 10 power 4 is there friends. Okay, no need to write it double times. We can write like see students here answer. Here power positive is there, so as usual. So how we are multiplying with the 10 power 4. That means that decimal places will go to the right side. So how many digits are there already? 3 there. So one more we did. So 40830 here will come. So no need to keep. Observe here. Here 10 power positive. So multiplying direct. If it is see here friends. Here also multiplication, but it is negative sign. So we are doing division. 1 by we are adding. So the decimal place will come to the left side. That means negative sign whenever it will come, the decimal places will come to the left side. Whenever positive sign it will be there, then the decimal place will go to the right side. Just technique you should remember, negative sign means the decimal places will go to the left side. Don't worry about that. Only negative sign 8. That means 7 places. Here already one digit is there. 7 places you go and keep that point. Here positive there, so it will go to the right side 3 places. Already 1 places is there. Again 2 places. This is our answer. I hope you have understood that standard form and the usual form. How to change usual form to standard form and how to use that usual form to standard form to usual form. Already you have learned that. Now we are going to discuss about the latest evaluate in your exercise last chapter. This is things. So see that here friends. Here I have written one problems with exponents that you observe. Solution is right here. It is very important also. 3 to the power minus 7 division 3 to the power minus 10 is equal to 3 to the power 2m minus 1. Find the m value you have to find. So students, observe here left side first observe. Both bases are same. So if division both bases are same, then power will be subtraction, because see students, a to the power m by a to the power m is equal to a power m minus n. Okay, here division, this is a power m divided by a power n. So here also you can write 3 power minus 7 minus 10 is equal to, okay, power subtraction item. Say minus 7 minus 10, because both bases are same. As usual, 2m minus 1. 3 power minus 7, here minus plus 10 is equal to 3 power 2m minus 1. How much came friends? 3 power 3 is equal to 3 power 2m minus 1. Now base is same, so power equal. Base are same. Okay, hence base are same, so power also equal. What will I do? So 2m minus 1 is equal to 3. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Now 2m is equal to this minus 3 will go to this side. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 2m is equal to 4. M is equal to this 2 will go to the side. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Hence M is equal to 2. This is our answer. Okay friends. So once again you see, whenever that division we are doing, that both bases are same, then the power will subtraction. So I have done here power subtraction. Power subtraction means here minus is there, so I have written minus plus over. So minus 7 plus 10 is equal to 3, as you can see right side. So now both bases are same to both sides. So if bases are equal, also power also equal. So I have written power also equal. 2m minus 1 is equal to 3. 2m minus 1 is equal to 3. 2m is equal to this minus 1 will go right side, then 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 over. So 2m is equal to 4. Now m is equal to this is into 2. So that side will go into division. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Hence m is equal to 2. Okay students, I hope you have understand and you enjoy with this chapter, and we'll see you in the next chapter in the next video. Okay, thank you.